तो अब स्टार्ट करेंगे पढ़ना। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Alif has a one shape. Alif has no dot. Okay, Alif has a one shape. Alif has a no dot. This is a ba. Ba. This is a ba. Ba has tray shape. Ba has tray shape. Ba has one dot downside. Ba has one dot downside. This is a ta. Ta has tray shape. Ta has tray shape. Ta has tray shape. Ta has two dots upside. Ta has two dots upside. This is a ta. This is a ta. Ta has tray shape. Ta has two dots. Ta has two dots. This is a tha. This is a tha. Tha has three dots upside. What is this? This is a tha. Tha has three dots upside. This is a tha. Tha has tray shape. Tha has tray shape. Tha has three dots. Tha has three dots upside. Tha has three dots upside. What is this? Jim has long letter. Jim has seven shape with half circle. With half circle. Jim has seven shape with half circle. Jim has one dot in the bottom. Jim has one dot in the bottom. What is this? This is a alif. Alif has a no dot. This is a alif. Alif has a one shape. Alif has no dot. This is a ba. This is a ba. Ba has tray shape. Ba has tray shape. Ba has one dot in the bottom. Ba has one dot in the bottom. This is a ta. This is a ta. Ta has tray shape. Ta has tray shape. Ta has two dots on the top. Ta has two dots on the top. What is this? This is a tha. This is tha. Tha has three dots on the top. Tha has three dots on the top. Okay, next line. What is this? This is a Jim. Jim has long letter. Jim has seven shape with half circle. With half circle. Jim has seven shape with half circle. Jim has one dot in the bottom. Jim has one dot in the bottom. Next one. This is a ha. This is a ha. Ha has seven shape with half circle. Ha has seven shape with half circle. Next one. This is a ho. This is a ho. Ho has one dot on the top. Ha has one dot on the top. Ha has one dot on the top. Next one, this is a dal. Ta has long letter. This is a dal. This is a dal. Dal has long letter. Okay, my dear. Inshallah, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.